All right, so what we need to do to fix this is we need to replace the blade clamp. The blade clamp is the metal piece on the end of the saw that holds the blade in. So let's get to it. All right, guys, you can see my frustration with my blade that keeps flying out of my Sawzall. I've had a lot of metal to cut lately, and I've got my metal blade and just can't seem to hold it in. So this is what usually happens, is the set screw in here won't hold the blade anymore. So you got to replace the blade clamp, which sits inside here. But first, we're going to have to remove these screws from the bottom. And there you can see a little better look at that blade clamp. So I'm going to grab the set screw and pull it out. And then I am going to unscrew. This is the set screw. This is the screw that holds in the blade clamp. So let's undo that. And there we go. There's our old blade clamp. I just ordered off of Amazon. I will leave it in the description below so you can see what I ordered exactly. This is the set screw side. This is the side that I just took off. Now, one thing you will have to do is transfer your set screw over. And just get that started. We don't want it in all the way. And then we'll slide this piece back on. Get this started. And you know that your set screw, let me get this started here and I'll show you. Your set screw goes on the side of your saw with the slot cut into it. So there's the slot. So your set screw goes on that side so you can access it when you have your cover on. So now let's put our rubber boot back on. Or, well, I'm sorry, rubber cover as I called it. And you can tell you have that the correct way when your blade will fit in that slot. Oh yeah, there we go, guys. Admittedly, it's probably not going to hold this blade very well because I really messed it up, but if you got a new blade, I'd put that in and start over after this point, and I think it'll hold it a lot better. But a tiny bit of thread locker, not a bunch. You want to be able to back that out. We'll keep that screw from backing out. You know, that's just going to help your case even better. That's all we have for today. What usually causes this, I guess the threads inside that blade clamp get a little bit stripped out, and that set screw just keeps backing itself off. So this is a pretty good fix. Check your model for compatibility, but hey, I'm back to cutting metal. It's looking great. So quick fix. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.